Still 56 have joined only. Okay, we can start in 2 minutes. It is waiting for us. So confirm is visible to all and audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So last lecture notes I just given. So date is mm, question is what? Yes, some other question. Find the sim- of the curve. Curve is what? Y cube plus x square y plus 2x y square minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, find the asymptotes of the curve y cube plus x square y plus 2xy square minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. The highest degree term. Oh, so now we are going to solve. Okay, so here we separate all the highest degree in the last lecture a little bit faster. Something I want to explain some more here. So here is phi 3, phi n minus 1, phi n. These are representing the terms of 3 degree. Okay. So here you can see the terms. Now I'm talking about the powers of variable x and y. Okay, just we are see the terms. So in this expression, how many terms are there? One, two, three, four, five. Total five terms are here. First, these are the terms of 3 degree. So that is denoted by phi 3, phi 3 of xy is equal to y cube plus x square y plus 2x y square. Okay, y2 xy. After 3 there is the 2, so there is no term is there, so that means 0. Okay, phi 1 xy is equal to x minus y. Okay, so that's what required. If you want to write for like phi 0, phi naught, xy is equal to 1, but that in this case x and y doesn't many containing non-many. So yeah, no need to write this one. Because for constructing the auxiliary variables, we take the x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m. Okay, so we assume here like polynomials of uh, some different degree terms. So after that, we search is it there the first what the given equation we search is it there any asymptotes parallel to x axis parallel to y axis. Okay, now we can see here in this case. See, now we see here y contains y cube. There is no other terms. Is means y containing the highest degree. The first terms containing y cube. So that means coefficient of y cube is what 1. That means there is no asymptotes parallel to y axis. Okay. So you have to must mention the things. Uh, so we reduce one to lines and directly write coefficient of highest degree of y, that is y cube is equal to 1. Therefore, there is no asymptotes. There is no asymptotes parallel to y-axis. Okay. Similarly, when we come to the coefficient of highest degree of pi, here we written 2 times. So here x square, okay, and 2x. So there is one term, highest degree, highest power of x is 2. Its coefficient is y. Now we will have some asymptotes. Similarly, you can write since okay coefficient of highest power or degree you can say because degree also term and degree of pi. I think you are getting degree of x, that is x square is equal to how much is there y. Okay, therefore y is equal to 0. Okay, that is x axis is asymptotes to the given curve. Okay, so let degrees for understanding. Coefficient of highest degree of xy is equal to, we have already written, y cube minus plus x square y cube plus x square y plus 2x y square. Okay, so now taking x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m, then phi 3 of 1m is equal to m cube plus m cube plus what are the means x is equal to 1. This is m plus 2 xy square to m square. Okay, so we can write here m cube plus 2m square plus m. So this auxiliary equations means m cube, therefore m cube we equate to this one 0 to find the roots. M is common, m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. M, so m square mm, this is the a plus b whole square looking like. Okay, so m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So we will have m is equal to 0 comma m is equal to minus 1 2 times. So this is the repeated case. Okay, repeated root. In the last lecture we have uh, already said, so repeated roots how we did. First m is equal to 0. Okay, so first is what? M is equal to 0. So for m is equal to 0, this is non-repeating repeating value. The value of c, so that interceptum, because we assume that the equation of any asymptote is y is equal to mx plus c. So that we are finding just m for that means slope of the asymptotes and y is equal to, okay, direction is what? So this is non-repeating case and we are yes, already I said no.
Yes, sir, it is 0.
uh, this is for, this is the case when this slope is 0, then we are going to find the value of c. Okay, because by these higher degree terms we calculated the slope values when the slope are single, when the slopes are repeated. Okay, the last problem we already seen. Okay, when the slopes are repeated or slopes are non-repeated. Repeated, that means that that times repeated means we need to that multiple c values. Okay, so we not need for m is equal to 0. So we need to find now c value intercept. So we use that formula. You can remember that one. So c phi dash. Okay, derivatives of the highest degree is what? 3. Phi 3 is there. Okay, and this is for m. Okay, well, taking this one. So we are not telling that this is 1m. Generally, we writing in the book language this one. Okay. So phi 3 of m. Okay, means to say phi 3 of 1m. We writing this term. Okay, so we are not including this phi of 1, phi 3, 1m. Okay, simply this is the function of looking like m. So that's why. Hmm. So I'm just doing what uh, not need to write, not need to write. Just you go through this one. So phi 3m that plus now C is there single. Okay, we not that C will not come. If the C square, then 1 degree is decreasing. So n minus 1 in general form I have written this is the 2 and derivatives also not there. Okay, not removed here. Phi 2m and next term is what? There is the phi 2. In the constant terms we need to uh, write or not. Yes, up to constant means equal to that I'm thinking is equal to 0. This is so C into phi dash. So differentiation of this 3m square plus 4m plus 1 sorry not equal to 0, the whole term we have to write plus now we writing here phi 2m. So phi 2m see there when we take xy is 0 that means 0 there is no term. So right here 0. Now in this case what happens, so we unable to find the things because 0 upon this 3m square so in this case uh, 1 minute it's okay no problem. So this what the values of m is equal to 0 this is plus here. Hmm. So now you're taking here m is equal to 0 because for m is equal to 0 c is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore asymptotes asymptotes for m is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0 is y and 0 and c 0 y is equal to 0 that is y is equal to 0 that is x axis. So already these things we already calculated from the like highest. So we are getting same here. Next for the repeated case for m is equal to -1 -1. Okay, so that means this is the repeated root. Repeated repeated root. Okay. So in this case, we know that c square upon factorial is the highest pi 3m, pi 3 dash m plus c upon factorial n. I think this is the two times differentiation. So the point times this is the 2 plus 5m1, and this is equal to 0. Okay, the c square upon 2 5 double dash m. So just now written here. So this is the 3 into 6 plus 4. 6m plus 4 plus 5 2, because 5 2 m is already 0. This one, so this become 0. I1m, 1m is written c pi. This is the 1x is we take here 1 and y is equal to m. So this is minus m, since phi xy is equal to minus y. So phi of m is equal to minus m, as taking x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 m. Uh, Now you will have to simplify and calculate the value of this c. So after that you just make it c square upon 2. You take m is equal to minus m. 6 into minus 1 plus 4, and plus minus minus is equal to 0. This implies that c square. Now this is 6 minus 6 plus 4. So this is how much? Minus 2. This cancel out, and this is plus 1 is equal to 0, and minus c square plus 1 is equal to, so c is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, by simplifying, so therefore for m, for m is equal to minus 1, for m is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to plus minus 1, asymptotes are y is equal to what, like m x plus 1 and y minus x minus 1. Or you can write these things. So x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so hence the given curve has total 3 asymptotes. Okay, given has total 3 asymptotes as y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 1, and x plus y is equal to minus 1. Answers. Okay, one I'm giving you questions. You can do this one. Okay, so I think you understood the process. I'm giving you 5 to 10 minutes. You can do and tell me the answer. Find the asymptotes of the curve. Curve is like that: x square, x square minus y square, x plus 2y plus 5x square plus y square plus x plus y is equal to 0. Find asymptotes of the curve. So this is here in multiple form, x square minus y square into x plus 2y plus 5. Yeah, okay, it's confusion part, so I'm writing a multiplication sign. Again, it's making confusion, looking like minus. Okay, you understand multiplication. Plus 5 squares x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so tell me the answer of this one. How many, your time starts now? How many number of asymptotes and what is the equation of that asymptotes? So I'm audible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Ah,
sir.
yes. Okay, you are you getting this problem? Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, solve it and tell me the answer, sir. I will mark those who tell me the. So I hope so you are doing now the problem. So today is only 77 students, 76 students present.
Think.
Yes. So roll number 85, Rohit Kumar.
Yes, sir. Just try.
Okay, are you doing fine?
Sir, three asymptotes.
Harmony. Three asymptotes. Okay.
Three, sir.
Equation.
So three asymptotes you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so stop. So I will ask, okay, anyone? Equation of asymptotes. Okay, no one tell me. So unless I ask. Okay, yes, I'm just selecting. So roll number 27, Venkata. Venkata.
Sir, triangle.
You are trying.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Chitrans. Rule number 30.
यस सर सर एम की वैल्यूज आ चुकी है तीनों, बस मैं सिर्फ इक्वेशंस बना रहा हूँ. 1 -1 और -12 आई है सर.
Okay. So you are getting the value of m.
यस सर.
So what is the values of m?
सर 1 -1 एंड -12.
Okay, fine, good. Now Falguni Srivastava, 37. I'm audible. Falguni Srivastava, 37. So not lifting. So not
Yes,
lifting.
sir.
So are you doing something?
Sir, trying.
Okay. Have you got the value of m?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. Do it. Just I repeated 2 times yesterday also and today also I repeated the question. Okay. So Manish Kumar, roll number 53. Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar getting.
Yes, sir.
So value of m. Tell me value of m. Omkar Devnath, roll number 66.
Yes, sir.
So you are joining with two things. So Omkar Devnath. So what you have calculated till now?
Value of m is -1/2 +1 and -1.
Okay, fine. So tell me one equation of asymptotes.
Sir, y is equal to -x/2 -25/6.
Okay, y is equal to once more.
-x/2 -25/6.
Okay, correct. Next, Riti Sahu, roll number 79. Riti Sahu.
Yes, sir, I am trying.
So calculated value of m.
Yes, sir, I got +1 and -1 till now.
Okay, you understood everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the roll number 90. Sayyid Ali. Sayyid Ali. Am I audible? Sayyid Ali. Sayyid Ali. You are not responding. Okay, fine. So I hope so means mostly I've calculated the values of m. So m is here. So plus 1 and -1 and minus half. Okay. So in this case, for this problem, so there is no repeated roots. That means you have to do for each problem, you have to calculate C value. So what you do simply, uh, write one time equations, change the value of m. Okay, so what the expression, because the repeated case, the equations term become different. Fine. See, in this case, in the last problem, so what we have seen when m is equal to 0, single roots, not repeated, is written here. So in this case, we use this expression, and after that, we have this one and this value. Okay, so non-repeated case. Okay, so same for suppose another value is something m like in this you have solved that one m +1 and -1 minus half. Same expression you have to use for this. You calculate one time. You find means expression in terms of m is equal to 0. Take m is equal to 1 you will have value of c something. Then m is equal to -1, you will have the value of c next. And m is equal to -m, then you will have c's value. And after that, you using the value of m and c, okay, so you will have the expressions. Okay, so that's why I'm writing this one. So those who not done, at least you see. So what you multiply, you will get in this combination, you will get the always 3-degree terms. Okay. Now this is the 2-degree term and this is the 1st-degree terms. 3rd-degree term, 2nd-degree term, and 1st-degree term. So this 3rd-degree means it is represented by phi 3 of xy is equal to a square minus y square and x plus 2 pi. Fine. Okay. Similarly, phi 2 of xy is equal to we can write here m including m, not leave that one, x square plus y square and phi of, if there is need phi 1x, you can write no issue, x plus y. So after taking in this problem, you must write taking x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, then phi 3 of m is equal to 1 minus m square and 1 plus 2m. Phi 2 m is equal to 5. 1 plus m square. Okay. Okay, suppose it is needful, then you do, otherwise leave it, no issue, just writing for. After that, so phi 3, c phi 3 m, okay, plus this is dash here, m is equal to 0. So by this process, when you do this one, you will have value so one thing which should have directly written for the calculating the this one. First we calculate the value of m. So highest degree term phi 3 m is equal to 0. This implies that 1 minus m square and 1 plus 2m is equal to 0. This implies that m is equal to plus minus 1 comma minus half. It's looking like factorization already given. Now we calculate c, okay, for different values of m. Since all m values are non-repeated, so therefore the expression is only one will work, or you can directly write in this manner, minus phi 2m upon phi 3 dash m. Okay, so phi 2m is how much? This is what 2 means, this is 10 m upon this is a minus, and after that phi 3, sorry, it is not differentiated, phi 2m not differentiated, this is the 5 plus 1 plus m square, phi 3 dash m, it is differentiated, phi 3 m. Okay, so
2
after,
minus 2m minus 6m square.
so 2 minus
2m minus 6m square.
so repeat one more time,
2 minus 2m minus 6m square.
12m plus 6m.
2m, 2m.
Okay. 2 minus 2m plus 6m square.
So minus 6m square.
Minus 6m square. Okay, I'm not very good. So this is C value is there. Okay, now you take m is equal to minus 1. So then C is equal to, you are getting, so minus 5 by 3. So therefore, expression is what? Y is equal to minus x because m is, and C is what? Minus 5 by 3. Okay, m is equal to 1. Then C is equal to, put the values here. In
Sir, for m equal to 1, she should be 5 by 3.
Yes, sir.
For m equal to minus 1, it should be 5.
Plus 5 by 3.
uh, m equal to minus or minus 5 by 3.
So for
Minus
n
5.
equals to 9, c equals to 5.
C is equal to 5 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, C is equal to 5. So Y is equal to minus X plus 5. Fine. Okay, M is equal to 1, then C is equal to.
5 by 3.
5 by 3.
Okay, therefore it's easy to write Y is equal to MX. X plus 5 by 3. Fine. M is equal to minus 5, then C is equal to minus
minus
25 by 6.
26.
Therefore, Y is equal to minus m minus 25 by 6. Yes. So this is your answer. There are three asymptotes, and equation of asymptotes are like that. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, fine. So this is your answer. Okay, so asymptotes like such type of problems and more asymptotes we can calculate, we discuss by some other process other than this formula, but this formula is general for all one. In the curve tracing, just like in infinity case, how we take the make of the curve, I will discuss in curve tracing. Okay, so today I'm just in the next class, means after tomorrow the class, I will start the curve tracing. Okay, and more details we go through. Otherwise, it has some many steps, so we not continue today. Is time is over. Okay, any doubts? Sir?
Yes, sir. In last
No, sir.
question.
Okay, just okay. Last question, what?
Sir, when find the asymptotes of the curve y cube plus x square y. Sir, last question which you have explained.
Last question. This question or means last one? This one.
The last one. Yes, sir. So when we find the value of value of c for m equals to 0, then
Mhm.
you take, yes, sir. So for m equals to 0 value of c, where we find it?
Sir, question prior to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This one.
Previous question.
Previous question or this question? That given I
The
question.
previous question.
Okay, this one. Fine. Okay,
Yes, sir. I just wanna ask for why you take this equation 3m square plus 1 plus 4m to the next to the right hand side, sir.
okay. Uh,
Yes, sir. This one
why we have taken 3m square plus 4m plus 1.
to the right hand side. Yes, sir. It can factorize easily as well.
So factorize easily. How
Yes,
this?
sir.
Because we need to find now C values.
So do we need to find for m also, because yeah.
Means m is already known, na? This is already
Yes, sir.
this is already known here. M for m is equal to 0. Okay, so this m is already known.
Acha, okay, sir. Okay, okay,
M
okay.
is known. That means either c is equal to 0 and this term 0. Okay.
Okay, sir. We don't care about the m value here.
Yeah. So that's that. So now
Okay.
0 upon we have to take in this case. So we are. So that means it may be non-zero, na, this case. M is
Yes, sir.
equal to
Yes.
0. So this term is what? Non-zero. So in this
Yes,
case,
sir.
what we write?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Okay, the next class we start the curve tracing. Okay. Okay, so those who have not means marked the attendance, mark it again. So it's open up to 11:30. Okay. So now I'm leaving the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.